This is the first day Guan came to United States, and he's feeding the ducks.
The entire cabin crew are pleased to have you.
안녕하세요, GSK입니다. 타코마 부품을 구하기 위해 LX에 도착을 했고요. 한국에서는 부품을 구하기가 정말 힘들기 때문에 타코마의 고향인 미국으로 다짜고짜 날아왔습니다. 부품값을 최소화시켜야 하기 때문에 정크야드나 셀비지 야드 위주로 부품들을 알아봐야 할 것 같고요. 구하기 힘든 것들은 토요타 딜러 서비스 센터 안에 있는 부품점에서 구해봐야 될 것 같습니다.
This is the first day Guan came to United States. We are at the park close to our house, and he's feeding the ducks. Guan, grab one, take home, make soup today. Soup. Make lunch. Oh, there are more coming. Give him more. Look at that.
One more?
Oh, so many. Oh no, you want to step on this guy? Come here, let me take you to the water.
응? 애니멀 싸워.
But they can feel the pain in my vocals. This the type of shit I really go through. Hit the
All
Can
right.
we get the gas and mileage?
Sure.
So the gas is at half a tank right now.
Okay.
So just be sure to bring it back at half a tank.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a quick walk around the car, see if there's any damage. This here's my damage evaluator.
Okay.
What we're looking for is anything bigger than the outer circle on the body of the car, and on the two bumpers, anything bigger than the entire ticket itself.
Okay.
So let's do a quick walk around. A little scratches
Yeah.
there. That's smaller than the ticket, so that's okay.
Okay.
You have to what?
I have to pick up some parts that I needed, so
Okay.
I'm making a trip.
Where are you headed?
Actually, San Francisco.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm
This
gonna
would be
do it
fun
in
to
one
try
day.
Huh?
I'm gonna do it in one day.
Oh wow.
So,
Alright, so I don't notice any damage on the car right now.
Okay.
Just a heads up, you are responsible to return the car in the same condition it's
Yeah.
in right now.
okay.
Turn left, then the destination is on your right.
도어가 준비되었네요. 와이어 하르네스. 테일라이트에 들어가는 와이어 하르네스 다 살아 있고요.
I'm gonna try to put it far right as we can with the fork, and then we'll move it as much as we can. Okay. It's kind of like tilting a little. That's good. I'm gonna back it up. Drop it. It's okay. Just watch out. Here. You want to strap it safely, just so if you drive, anything happens. So feel free to strap it as we wait for the bed. So good. Whew, man, you've been here for 9 hours almost. And then you have a 7-hour drive.
Yeah.
You're very happy, huh? I'm joking. He's tired. He's like, I want to go home. You know, I didn't do this in a long time.
What?
I'm the senior salesman here. Normally, my hands don't get dirty. I never do this work.
I'm really appreciating.
No, I appreciate you as a customer. I'm just saying, like, it's fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's fun to get dirty again. Move. Okay, keep on. A little bit more. That's good. Here. That's gonna go in there. Strap. Okay, this is good. Good. The bed will be here maybe like 10 minutes or so. Where are you going to? We should lift it with the wood and then just move those pieces. Oh, that's good. Just transfer it on with the wood. Yeah. Right. Should I take these off? You just gotta keep it even. We can go over. Yeah, just take them off. All right. We all gotta be even, all right? All right, ready? Hold on. Go ahead. Hold on. What? Do what I'm doing. Okay. Go up. There you go. Good. Now, you stay over there. Go around. You guys stay over there. Good. Are we centered? Yeah.
거울로 실은 거 봐봐. 잘 매달려 있고.
양호. 어?
나무 하나 나갔어.
나무 나갔다고?
됐는데 이거?
됐다.
어디서 빠진 거야?
이거 실을 수 있어? 다시?
샤.